Right, an unboxing then, and first of all we've got the micro USB cable for this ANNKE IP camera. Next is some wall plugs and a screw, so you can actually mount this to the wall if you wish, or a shelf, or the ceiling even. And it is charged and powered by this good old British plug and a power supply. Goes into the wall, and if I can get this out, this is the actual mount that you put onto the wall. It moves out and you can screw it tight. Oops, I've dropped a bit of it there already. And that goes onto the bottom of the actual camera itself. So you can mount it on the floor, on the wall. You can bend that round, as you can see there, to mount it on the wall. And you screw it into the bottom. It's not waterproof, this, so don't put it outside. You get a very long Ethernet cable, which I don't really want to use. I want to use Wi-Fi. So we're going to try and, here we go, that's better. Get it out of the box, and you can see here that it rotates around on the vertical and the horizontal axis, and on the back we have a few ports here. We've got the power supply port on the left there, the micro USB. We've got a micro SD card slot at the bottom. We've got a reset button, which is easy to press, and you don't need a pin. And there's the screw hole that I mentioned, and there's a QR code which we're going to use during setup. You may have noticed the Ethernet port on the back and the Ethernet cable that is present, but you don't have to use it.